Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation mode you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, so you do not have totally the buttons, you will have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. Do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing the finger, the recents will appear. And if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then nothing easier, just tap on the square icon here. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the recents. And if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you just don't want to waste your time for swiping, simply tap on this X button. As you can see, we immediately got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Redmi A1S. Thank you, A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.